Be Keinture Neshogin o Ciste and Eshteochta Gaeilge. Ta Ciste and Eshteochta Gaeilge an ódó Blain Yavila Sajai, August is Ciste ta Jiriha Chionscal Capital Gaeilge Fud na Shekondai. Curam Falcha Neshriv Kevin McGillavine, Sturohor, the couple of Focal Aran.
Sure, my good on you. Ira, a Vera, a Carja, Tanuna Maya, a leg Disa. Come a fear of Rodol as a Van Shaw or some Ciste and Eshteochta Gaeilge, ag an oscailt difficult Shaw. Bunny Ciste, Gabil is a J, a Reich na Canchin of Politula. We as the guards McGav, Curl 5,000,000 the annual na Gaeilge or file like an Amshin. Gavillion Jeg or Ciste Crealt the Rock na Gaeilge, 8,000,000 le Ciste capital of Wonu, August le Barney Alinu Major le Togri Mora capital of Wenu Statushkart Shaw. The Jerry Inta Burha na Rocher file in you, August basically he's in Shaw of a Wadger. The Rarmar Higgum Sag and Amson, you Rocarig Force na Gaeilge, Skeman the Mora Gaeilge a Wenu na Shea Conde. And a Carja, but near a Smini to her Shaw, 8,000,000 the Ciste. Ní mór an agad seo de scéman a cabbageal. Ní is minion tú ar govéide bhí ar codid in a scéman a mór a cosal de seo. Dá punca 2,000,000 an seo, dá punca héan ar ceanella, héan punca ní ar ceanella, héan punca seacht ar ceanella agus sin bog nach 8,000,000. So, ó an tús an dóin ibermid bhí ró lárnach ag an Ciste le harigid sugan a chur ar an tabla ar dús. Mar a rinmid le héanach watha, gabil is a dóiag, creidjum. Bhí chumid 3,000,000 ar an tabla, mas buam McKivnia. Agus an sin tagan na muoine thuirí eile sa scéal, rinne phobal ag an am sin díá. Agus tas oban go raibh sim ag all-war ag Carl ní Killen, mar a luatir Hanafian coupler, ar an drochar ní Roshi able to check the new a churd. The rare a céile tagan an paiste an paiste umlin le céile, in a éis daidir ag namiachta Sorella. So gotí saw a carja to 3,000,000 jeg, curhers jacket and muoine thuirí eile, mar agad Mhacha the agad an Ciste. So sin 3,000,000 jeg ó Winchi Exla. Tá sé tionscadal is fí breise masra nua go dtí seo ag femú faoi láthair. Anéis le harigad suganne san airú tá breis is 5,000,000 caiitear ar eis na lán Gaeilge nua na sé condi. Be muid a cealú James Léana suganne le Hócaids War an Hallan na Carraach bell first year an seachtain seo hugging, mar cud de hachtain na Gaeilge. Be cud war agus a láthair from near fecum sa hartan seo. A carja as I was saying in Irish, good morning. Good afternoon, ministers. There was a second minister in the room a while back, Mayor and friends. I'm very proud to be here today at the official opening of the official opening of Aonach on behalf of Ciste and Eshteochta Gaeilge. Ciste was created during the political talks of 2010. Thanks to Gerry Adams, 20 million became available to the Irish language sector, 12 million of which went to the Irish Broadcasting Fund, and 8 million was to create a capital fund to fill the existing gaps in funding big capitals for the Irish-speaking community. And Gerry apologises that he can't be here today. At that time, Carja, as I understand, and still, Forest na Gaeilge could not and cannot fund big capital schemes in the north. So when I think back on 8 million in 2010, and when you think of the grand scheme of projects like this, some at 2.1, some at 2.2, some at 1.7, and others at 1.9, that's your 8 million spent. So from the outset of Carja, it was always our initiative to put our money on the table first, and that would then attract the bigger funders, just like we did here with Aonach. So I believe as far back as 2011 or 2012, 2013, we had a letter of offer on the table to them. The other big funders then became involved, and at the time it was DCAL. I knew at the time Minister Carl ní Killen was especially interested, but unfortunately she also sends her apologies here today. So gradually the funding package becomes together after various drafts of economic appraisals and business cases. And to date, I was just saying in Irish there that we now have 26 functional projects and a total of over 20 million invested, meeting the needs of the growing Irish-speaking community throughout the north. And to mark these successes, the projects, we will be celebrating our 10 years anniversary next week in Belfast City Hall as part of Seachtain na Gaeilge. So a Carja Madja le Aonach Watha, ar a lead seach noach blianahin, hosi me cora le Raymond Anton agus Garage. Bhí cup to see different on ag an am sin. Is féidir lim gold shear liv se ta cifniog mar Dunn Stores, Hasten Strides sin. the Kivniogam are Visioella, just the boom McKidney, the 7 houses of Iorha. Ach nur Vishav Kinsu Gaworship and Shan, Station Deutschen, Hanny Carol and Killen is Jack's scale, listen to Brickmora. He is Sigum near Hanny Seas Jack, August Garudi Cal de Rera if we saw. So, these I can go saw Gullet Harley. Tamil Bugan the Sin, Furim and Litcher Harris, can you Uanya, Kerakid Mila, Crejum, Uran Druck here, Uran Drucker, Gumaleska, Nura Wogan, and Amaray, 10 the price in the Narja. Noia V. Raymond, Anton August Garage, Extocarak, Gutrum, Egdorsiella, Le Honaji, Aitrula, Colliery, Nabuil, Aitrula, Sechonal, Sorella. A Carjalaw and Alla, Couple of Blaine in the Asian, Hanning Scaff, Jacko Gudera, the Stockerack Brescia, Ayani Oranya, August Facum Cursdinadini, Shashamla New, Facum's J.B. Valley, Tahart, August Facum Cattle Boiling of Ian Shin Foster. So in the end, Kun you send first a Litcher Harskin in Nua, Shea Kid Mila, a Major Moa Hugma Jamak, a Rio. Fuga Hilmid Guru and Target Lig Walyogin, like an Amshin, Viorin Fanak the Rist, Uji, Guru Gachrod, Curhafreeze process, all war Rearahan. August V. Arrogant Brescia, D. August Arrogant Brescia, a race, D. So a Carja, Kaifer Ra, the Kudji, August Tahu, Ainta Tawak, O Ella Maguire, O Renan Fubba, Ni Rose Arayana, Crejum Mariala, and Roll of Viega, Thomas and Shaw, and Use, Jero, Har and Lena. A race just go Gasta. I was saying in English there, or in Irish there. I remember meeting Raymond and Anton in Garage, and possibly Sean about 7 or 8 years ago. And at that time, they were looking at various different potential sites, and I could take you back to the old, walking around the old Dunstores site here. And it was a bit of a mess, I remember rightly. And then the other, looked at the other sites here, at the 7 houses at the corner. But I knew as soon as they were certain that they had secured this dilapidated fire station, Carolly Killen with her big machine got rolling. So it was obvious at the time when the minister gets involved at that level, things move. So a short time after this, Raymond received an increased letter of offer from Infheistíochta. But unfortunately at Cardiff, when time moves on, prices and construction prices don't stay fixed. Of course, Raymond and his team were lobbying everybody else in sight, knocking on doors of their political representatives, local councillors and MLAs, etc. On another day, a few years later, such a squad of them arrived in Derry. I see some of the delegation around the room, Cathal Boylan, J.B. Valley, the world-acclaimed artist who, of course, was very supportive of Aonach Wahab, and indeed Ciste. Gormila Magat, J.B. In the end, they received a new letter of offer from Ciste, by far the largest we have ever given out, £600,000. We believed the package was finally there. There was a long period of administration on the department's and on the council's behalf. It must be said the crucial role played by Philip Maguire especially was second to none. Not solely, of course, was he alone, but I believe it was because of Philip Maguire from DFC that we are finally here today. So to conclude, Akarja, I'd like to congratulate Raymond, Garage, Shan and the Aonach Wahab Committee for all their efforts and determination to make this happen. It's important to say that these capital projects are certainly not easy, and especially when they involve a few funders and indeed a complicated site such as this one. The processes and expectations of funders are different, and the levels of scrutiny certainly are challenging to say the least. The local community deserves to have this wonderful community facility and are indebted to all your efforts and relentless efforts to make this happen. We're extremely very lucky to have this facility in the heart of Armagh. I'd like to commend all the professionalism of all the people involved. Already mentioned Phil Maguire from DFC, the Aonach Wahab team, the ABC team, the design team, the contractors, and of course the Board of Ciste and Infheistíochta Gaeilge for their ongoing guidance and direction given to me. Aris, Quahardus Moore, the Rak Dinya, August Rath Moore, August Amor, Raymond, August and Oran, and this Nahumik Satohi. Well done to all involved, and I wish you well in the future.